Hi pre-K families, it's Miss Godfrey again, and today I thought I would read a book to you. I know we've been reading a lot of books on Epic, but it's still fun to have time together where I read to you just like we used to do at school. So this book is called Little Cloud by Carle. Okay, so here's the front. And you might remember this book because we have a big version of this in our classroom. So you might have already looked at this with your friends, but I don't think I've ever read it to our class. And I thought this would be a great book because we're talking about spring lately, and it's April, and have you ever heard that April showers brings May flowers? So I was thinking, April showers, what does that really mean? Yeah, it means rain. And where does rain come from? Do you know where rain comes from? Yeah, it comes from the clouds. So let's go ahead and get started with Little Cloud by Carle. Okay, and I'm thinking about, wow, what do I notice? Kind of looks like he has a face. So let's see what this book is about. Little Cloud. Okay. Here's the title again, Little Cloud by Carle. The clouds drifted slowly across the sky. Little Cloud trailed behind. The clouds pushed upwards and away. Little Cloud pushed downward and touched the tops of the houses and the trees. Okay, so find Little Cloud. Is he doing what everyone else is doing? The clouds moved out of sight. Little Cloud changed into a giant cloud. Little Cloud changed into a sheep. Sheep and clouds sometimes look alike. Little Cloud changed into an airplane. Little Cloud often saw airplanes flying through the clouds. Little Cloud changed into a shark. Little Cloud once saw a shark through the waves of the ocean. Little Cloud changed into two trees. Little Cloud liked the way the trees never moved and always stayed in one place. Little Cloud changed into a rabbit. Little Cloud loved to watch rabbits dash across the meadows. Then Little Cloud changed into a hat because Little Cloud changed into a clown and needed a hat. The other clouds drifted back. They huddled close together. Little Cloud, they called, come back. Little Cloud drifted towards the clouds. Okay, so he's right there and he's drifting back up with his group. Then all the clouds changed into one big cloud and rained. Okay, and that looks like the end because there's no more words on the page. Okay, so I really like that story because I really liked seeing all the things that Little Cloud was changing into. Because if you go look outside, you'll notice, do the clouds stay in one spot or do they float around and change shape? I want you to think about that. And maybe this week when it's nice out, if it's not too cold, maybe you could go outside and you could look at the clouds and think about what shapes that you see. I'm also thinking about, if I was a cloud, what kind of shape would I want to be? I think maybe I would want to turn into a flower shape. Then maybe I would turn into the shape of a pizza. Then I would turn into the shape of a cat, because my cat is really who I've been spending a lot of time with at my house. So that would be kind of silly. All right, guys, well, that was Little Cloud by Eric Carle. I hope you enjoyed the story, and I hope you have fun going on a cloud hunt and seeing what kind of clouds you see. All right, see you later.